This is question number 22 on the June 2015 non-calculator paper. So part A starts off by saying find the value of 2 to the power of minus 3. Now you should be pretty familiar with this. 2 to the minus 3. The minus sign means there's going to be 1 over 2 to the 3. Okay, and we know that 2 to the 3, or 2 cubed, is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So that's going to be 1 over 8. This is an easy mark you could pick up. In fact, most people doing the higher mark should be able to pick up this mark. Right? Make sure you can do it. Going on to part B. Part B indicates to us that we have 5 root 5 can be written in the form of 5 to the power of k. Find the value of k. So 5 root 5, that actually means 5 times the square root of 5. 5 to the k means that we're talking about some sort of power. We want to know what the power of k is. So let's look at these in terms of powers. That 5 on its own is to the power of 1 times root 5. Well, a square root is the same as the power of a half. When you're timesing numbers where the bases are the same, and in this case we have 5 and 5, we can add the powers. So in other words, we have 5 to the power of 1 plus a half, which is 1 and a half. Okay, we could have written that as 3 over 2, but 1 and a half is an acceptable answer. So therefore, k is 1 and a half. Okay, and I could put that in my answer space. This is a bit trickier, but if you're aiming for top grade, you should be able to do part B. You should be able to get full marks in it. Let's look at part C. In part C, they ask us to work out the value of, and we have an expression here. So it says work out the value of, and we've got something in surd form. Now, if you've done surds or you've done work on surds, this is one that you should be familiar with. Root 12 minus root 3 all squared. So that basically means I'm timesing it by itself. Root 12 take away root 3 times root 12 take away root 3. And this technique is very similar to multiplying out a pair of brackets. Root 12 times root 12. Now that is a fact, a maths fact that you should know. If you had root 12 times root 12 in surds, that's the same as 12. So root 12 times root 12 is 12. On the other end, I'm going to do root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is going to be just 3. But remember, a minus times a minus is a plus. Okay, now let's do the ones in the middle. Root 3 times root 12. So that's going to be minus root 3 times root 12. And if I do the other ones, I'll have 12 times root 3. And that's minus root 3. So again, that's minus root 12 times root 3. Okay, so that's my brackets multiplied out. Let's actually tidy this up. I have 12 at the front here. I have plus 3 at the end. So 12 plus 3 is 15. Root 3 times 12. That could be rewritten as 3 times 12 is 36. Root 36. I'm going to do the same with the other set of brackets. 12 times 3 is 36, so that's root 36. Okay, now I know the square root of 36 is 6, so that's 15 take away 6 take away 6. In other words, 15 take away 12. So 15 take away 12 is 3. So that's my final answer. My final answer is 3. There are 4 marks available for this whole question. Right, you should be able to do it all, and especially if you're aiming for top grade, right, this question is one you should be able to get completely correct.